How to fix Google Assistant not working. 1. Restart your Android device. 2. Check Google Services status. 3. Check if your device supports Google Assistant. Upgrade your hardware if needed. 4. Check then troubleshoot your internet connection, if needed. 5. Check whether your microphone is disabled or has stopped working. 6. Enable Google Assistant. Settings Google Settings for Google Apps Search, Assistant and Voice Google Assistant Hey Google and Voice Match Enable Hey Google there. 7. Check Permissions, Settings Apps Google Permissions. Turn on all permissions. 8. Check your language settings, Settings Google Settings for Google Apps Search, Assistant and Voice Languages select desired language. 9. Update the Google app and Google Assistant via Google Play Store. 10. Uninstall any other voice assistants, Samsung's Bixby or Amazon's Alexa. 11. Clear the Google Assistant cache, Settings Apps Google Storage Clear Cache Manage Storage. Tap Clear All Data. 12. Retrain the Google Assistant voice model, Google Settings for Google Apps Search, Assistant and Voice Match. Voice model retrain voice model. 13. Uninstall and reinstall Google Assistant app.